Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sunday afternoon, and I've made a little progress on my Earls Oil Company. It's a model kit from a company called Bar Mills, and yeah, so far so good. I will find out when I get to the point where I need to put the roof on it as to how square it is, but I think I got it pretty good. It's a lot of fun. It's HO scale, which for the car modelers that aren't familiar, it's like a 1/86 scale, so it's pretty small. But yeah, the weathering is really fun as far as the siding. It's all done with just cheap folk art acrylic paints, so cleanup is easy, and it's very effective and it works really well. It's got little hooks on the back of the building there where you can put pipe or whatever. I tried to make this part here look like it might be concrete or something like that, but it's just it's gonna be an old building. See if I got where's my pointer here. The detail is just really cool. These windows, they stick together, and you can pose them, like you can have the window be open a little bit. It's just clear acetate for the glass, and before I put that in, I sprayed it with dull coat and kind of just made it look a little bit older. This window, I kind of messed it up, although I don't think it's going to show up, so maybe it's not going to be that bad of a mess up. But yeah, this is where it's at right now. I've spent most of the day on the bench, and it's been fun. It's been a different little change of pace. I'm gonna start. After I thought I'd get going with the building and kind of get everything that way done, and then I can set it out on my foam that I bought, and kind of map it out on there where I want it to be and what kind of a scenery I want to do. I think I'm going to do like a desert scene and make it like it was, late 50s, early 60s, something like that. But anyway, I hope you guys all had a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.